In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from KuCoin application to Coinbase Wallet in very simple step. I will also show you that which network you have to select for the minimum fees. So if you are new in crypto, I will show you all these steps step by step so you can easily transfer your crypto coin from KuCoin application to Coinbase Wallet in very simple steps. So let's come on the KuCoin application on the cell phone. So here you can see I have opened KuCoin application on my cell phone. Now I want to transfer some USDT from my KuCoin to Coinbase Wallet. So to transfer USDT, come on the asset and here you have to select the withdrawal because we are withdrawing USDT from here. Click on the withdraw. After that you have to select the coin which you want to transfer from here. So I want to transfer USDT. So you have to select the coin which you want to transfer from here. You can transfer any coin. I want to transfer USDT. Click on USDT. So on the top here you can see there is an option on-chain and internal. So internal basically used to transfer coin from KuCoin to another KuCoin account. But we are transferring from KuCoin to Coinbase Wallet. So come on the on-chain and here you have to select the coin as we have selected USDT. Here you have to paste the address of the USDT and after that you have to select the network. So network part is the most important part. So here you can see multiple networks are available just like ERC20, TRC20, SOL, other networks are available. Also you can see the fees just like for the ERC20 you have to pay the $10 fee. For the TRC you have to pay the $1.5 USDT. For the SOL network also you have to pay the $1 fee. So for the KCC KuCoin Community Chain Network you have to pay the $0.5 USDT. And for the BEP20 network, you have to pay the $0.8 fee. So basically, you can use KCC or BEP20 network. But for your more information, KCC network is not available. So whenever you transfer back from your Coinbase wallet to another exchange, so network should be KCC available on the other exchange. Just like on the Binance application, KCC network is not available. So you can select TRC20 or BEP20 network because these two networks are available on almost every network. The choice is yours. You can select TRC20 and pay the $1.5 USDT fee or you can select the BEP20 network. I want to select BEP20 network and minimum you can withdraw 3 USDT and you have to pay the fee $0.8 USDT. Now here you have to add the wallet address which should be in BEP20 network. So let's come on the Coinbase Wallet. So here we have opened Coinbase Wallet on my cell phone. So we need USDT network address in BEP20 network. So if you are not already imported USDT address, click on receive. Here you have to select the USDT or any coin just like I have searched USDT. So here you can see Tether is available on Ethereum, Polygon, Solana and all networks are available. So you have to select the BNB. If you are transferring from the Solana network, you have to select the Solana. If you are transferring from the Polygon network, you have to select the Polygon network. So currently we are transferring from the BNB chain. Copy this address and paste this address on the KuCoin application. Come on the KuCoin, paste this address. So the minimum transfer is 3 USDT. I want to transfer 5 USDT from here. So I will receive 4.2 USDT because you have to pay the $0.8 fees. If you want to receive exactly $5, so you can select change to $5. So it will be 5.8 USDT. If everything is verified and confirmed, click on the withdraw button, confirm withdrawal. Now here you have to add the trading password, email verification code and 2FA code, or you can switch to SMS verification. I want to switch to SMS verification. Click on the send to receive the code and here you have to add the trading password. Let me add the both. So after adding the code, click on confirm. Alright, so withdrawal has been initiated. You can also save this address or you can cancel. Now here you can see that withdrawal is initiated and currently processing. It will take a couple of minutes to transfer USDT or any coin which you are transferring from here, from KuCoin to Coinbase Wallet or any other wallet or crypto application. It will take some time. If you click on the back button and refresh this, and here you can see it says the USDT completed $5 has been transferred. But if you click on this, kindly it shows submitted. So now let's come on Coinbase Wallet and see the transactions. Maybe we have received the USDT. So we have received USDT in our Coinbase Wallet. If you come on the USDT and here it shows 5 USDT has been received. Click on this. So here you can see we have received from this network to this network 5 USDT in the BNB Smart Chain network. So I hope you understood how you can transfer USDT from KuCoin application to Coinbase Wallet in very simple step. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, or if you face any problem, please comment down below. See you in the next video.